20 divided by 4 over 3 times 6. 3 into here 1, 3 into 6 2. Then we are left with 20 divided by 4 times 2. 20 divided by 4 will give us 5. Then we have 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is equals to 10. 10 is the wrong answer to this question because division and multiplication have equal priority. So we have to work from our left to our right, which is we have to solve this division first before solving our multiplication because it is in our left hand side. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with 20 divided by 4 over 3 using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 20, change division to multiplication, then flip 4 over 3 to 3 over 4, then multiply by 6 here. Now we are going to simplify. 4 into itself 1, 4 into 20 will give us 5. Then we have 5 times 3 times 6. 5 times 3 will give us 15. Then we have 15 times 6. 15 times 6 will give us 90. 90 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.